There we go. Okay, great. Okay. Streaming should be set up. What am I doing? That's right. I'm doing some database stuff. Right, that's what I want to do. Okay, let's get some music going. Oh, live streaming music, tools, stream. Okay, what do I want to listen to? Probably not that. Maybe not that. Maybe this. Okay, stream is on. Great. Let's go do this. What am I doing? Let's close you down. Let's close you down. This is what I've got. What I need is some templates to go off of. I have some to choose from. I think I wanted to do this. I think I want to build this guy out. So I want to show the code. Great. Let's do this. Let's do npm run quick. Oh, do I want to run a command? Yes, I want to run add. That's what I wanted. And I want tailwind. Oh geez. Oh geez. Whoa geez. Okay. Okay, it's really hard to know where this is, but I'm guessing this is set up. Cool, yeah, it looks good. Cool, that updates the dependencies. And then I basically need to take this whole thing, copy, let's close, and it looks like this has some Alpine stuff. Nice, nice. Gosh, I need to try Alpine. Alpine actually seems pretty freaking cool. So what I'm going to do next is go to my routes, go to my index route. Basically, below this table, I'm going to paste this, and hopefully this will be enough. Let's try that. That should break some stuff, but hopefully, oh, it did break this. Unreachable, cool. What is the problem? Is it going to tell me? Internal server error, unreachable. First guess is this guy. Let's remove that. And we get still unreachable. Okay. This is what I pasted in. So let's try removing that for now. And let's go somewhere about halfway down. What's this div close? That div closes this one. This div should be that one. Oh, okay, header. Where's the header? Start with the header. That's the header. And then main, we can go ahead and take out main. Oh boy. Yo, Stony, what's going on? Just trying to get this app that I've been working on kind of working. I'll show you that in a minute. Let's see. Just got to see what I got going on here. Make sure. 1, 2, 3. Gosh, okay. Let's try and get some of the... Okay, that doesn't actually do anything. Or that's like the sidebar. Ah! Did the wrong thing. You can make tea real quick. All right, sounds good. I think that goes there, which means this aligns to there. I think I have one too many divs is the problem. Let's try that. Still gonna be unreachable. Cool. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually going to go back. I'm going to what do I want to do? Okay, I'm gonna copy this again. No, where was I? This one. Okay, this guy. We'll leave that open until I'm done with it. Show the code. Grab that. Copy that. Let's undo all that work. Get things working again. Great. Should no longer be unreachable. Awesome. Now. No. Let me select language. Let's go HTML. Let's paste that in there. Great. You can see everything now. And what I'm going to do is probably take these things like one sort of section at a time. So I've got this guy. I'm going to see if I can go all the way. It's still going. All the way to the bottom. Great. I don't think I need that. That's an empty div. We're going to start with this guy then. No. Thank you. Take you out. And come over here. Under the table, we'll paste that. And see. Unreachable again. What is going on with that? Okay. Not going to do that. What is the code that's unreachable? Ah. That might be the problem. Let's do this. Okay. Couple of class items there. Okay, cool. Making some progress. I think, let's start this over. I should have the Tailwind stuff set up now. We've got a Tailwind config, perfect. We've got a post CSS. We have 2 post CSS configs. Okay, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna copy that. I'm going to delete that. And then post CSS config, plugins, let's do that. Let's close that. Okay, cool. Now, does that change anything? No. I think probably I have, yeah, that's the problem. Okay. Base components, utilities. That should be my styles. I'm not seeing that. Yo, Bengal. Oh, hi. What's up? Good to see you. Seeing how far I can get in this demo. Good to see. Well, I guess technically I'm not seeing you. I'm seeing your username. It's good to see your username and that you're chatting. I check out my cool little camera thing. It's like moving around with me. It's got a gimbal. I actually don't really love it, but the software that it ships with doesn't work on Linux. And I have transitioned from a dual booting or like Windows with WSL machine to just straight Linux because I was having too many issues. So it's supposed to have like hand gesture controls. Like this is supposed to stop it from following, and then I'm supposed to be able to like zoom it in and out. Cool, but yeah. Anyway. Okay, why isn't Tailwind styles taking effect? Let's see, global.css. I am importing it. Huh. Don't use Linux? Nah, Linux is actually really good. Windows, I thought Windows was going to be better, but it was a pain in the butt. Okay, let's see here. I should have, let's see, let's do class equals text 2XL. That's a Tailwind thing, right? And I don't see that taking effect. Eventually I'll learn, Sony. I will just, maybe I can just like mute you, and then that way you can chat all you want, but I don't actually, or I could probably inject some sort of style or script that just like finds any comment from Stony and just like hides it or something. Yeah, Linux, the OS that doesn't just straight up lie to you all the time. That's right. It's really good. It's really good, except when it's not. Like there's some things like, I really wish there were some better apps that Mac users have, but I don't know. Okay, I am gonna try something else. Let's go npm quick. I want to npm run quick, and I want to remove something. So there is no option to remove something. I feel like well, let me try one more thing. Yes, I want to add. I kind of want to see what a joke does. How do you get a squirrel to like you? Act like a nut. Okay, let me go back down to the Tailwind stuff. So, okay, modifies that, overwrites that, installs dependencies. It should have done what it said it was going to do. So, I can mute you, but I'll miss you. I will miss you. I'm not going to mute you. That would be a terrible thing to do. However, getting this working seems like a good thing to do. What else do I need to do to get Tailwind to work? I have included the dependencies. I have modified my post CSS plugin to include Tailwind. I have my Tailwind config that's set up to look at TSX files. Yes. Join the 2 class attributes for start. Yeah, that's not it. I know I need to do that, Stony. That's not the problem though, because none of the class attributes are working here. Also, Tailwind is supposed to have a base thing here that would actually reset this. So I would know if it's working if this was not Times New Roman. Again, I just want to do work and I have to spend time doing this stuff. This is the worst part of modern development. There's a lot of good trade-offs for it though. Okay, let's try it. Let's try this. That shouldn't do anything. Let's do table, background color red. Okay, so this CSS file is getting picked up. Tailwind utilities. Maybe it. No, because. Okay, maybe Stony has a point. Let's try comment all that out, and let's try table class equals background red 500. I think that's the Tailwind way to do it. Okay. That is that. Okay. Let's try canceling that just for the sake of it. Unsupported engine. That should be fine. Have you added the files to watch correctly in the Tailwind config? Yes. Hey, I think I got it working. Just restart the dev server and maybe install dependencies. Okay, cool. Now, with that out of the way, I have the data coming in from my database to read the Pokemon stats. What I want to do is build out a admin dashboard. I don't actually want to build it. I want to use one that is already built. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, that's kind of weird, wonky. That's fine. I'm copying code that someone else wrote. So let's go there. We have that correctly. I need these guys in before it, I think. Right here, which means I need close you, which means I need the other closing divs. I guess I need this after, right? I should be able to just copy all of this at this point, hopefully. This, and then I'm gonna take one closing div after, and that should be it. Okay, we're gonna go down here, paste, save. No, unreachable. Great. Unreachable though, we know why. This suggests maybe I have one too many divs. There we go. And then I have some unreachable code that starts somewhere here. Let me see if I can find class. Okay. It didn't like when I had that. Oh no. Oh no. Ah, poopy. Okay. Too much. Trying to do too much. Ah, poopy. Okay. Too much. We are not in React JSX. We are in Quick. So it's not going to be class name. Okay. I think in that case we'll start with this div, which contains the header. How far down is this? No way this goes all the way. Okay. I feel like that's basically what I did just a moment ago. Still unreachable. Really? Okay, still trying to do too much. And still doing too much, apparently. Okay, here we go. Nope. Right, I have too many divs. That's fine. I think I need a wrapping div around there. Okay. That looks right now. Yep. Cool. And then I think I can take this that I just had, and I think that's gonna go after this. That sounds right. Okay, now I need to adjust any click handlers like this. I think that's the source of unreachable code, as well as anything that looks like class, which I don't have. Shoot. Ah, the problem is this stuff is so convoluted. Okay, I think what I can do is remove some of this redundant stuff. So we have a bunch of table rows here that are going to be the same thing. So I can get rid of those. Table row, table row, table row. Okay, and let's get rid of all of them except for a single table row. TR. Okay. Down to there. I'll lose some information, but that's okay. This is stupid. And then what do we have here? Total orders. We have new users. Okay, some sort of dashboard. Thing is, okay, let me grab the header. Actually, let me grab the header and this container. Seems like a reasonable amount of information. There you go. And then I need one more div in there. Yeah. Okay. Save. Still unreachable. That makes sense. Cool. Input tags are not self-closing. Input tags are self-closing. I don't know what you're talking about. Like this. Oh, I think I see what you're saying. That they are not in the markup as self-closing. That's a pretty good call. That is a great call, actually. So let's look for these click event handlers. I think that is going to be another one. Still unreachable. Okay, this is a more reasonable amount of code to look at, though. And I think I can just go for the red squigglies. It should hopefully be enough to tell me. Image tag also is going to be self-closing. Gosh, that was a good suggestion, Stony. Collapse everything with control K minus, control K0, then expand. That's a good idea. I'm not going to do that, but that is a good tip. I am. What is this complaint about? JS output is not assignable to type undefined. I don't know what that means. This looks like perfectly fine markup to me. Input image slash. There we go. Gosh, the fact that is that going to be the thing that fixes it? No, it's not. Cool. Let's do. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start destroying stuff. All right, that's gotta work. Okay, cool, that worked. That doesn't work. So something in this block of code. I did miss an image, I guess. Oh, there it is. Booyah. Okay, got it. On click. Yeah, I know the click thing. I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna have to convert some of these things into the quick way of doing things. But all of this stuff that is set up is also set up using Alpine, and I need to convert these into like quick syntax. For the time being, all I'm trying to do is get the markup onto the page in a way that I can use it. So now we've got main. Main should go all the way down. Main, there we go. Copy that. Main, we go header and then main. I think if I close this, yeah, I'm gonna have a couple of these issues again. That might be it. Yeah, main. Hell yeah. Cool. Everything's kind of in there now. I mean, kind of. You can... Kind of. Cool. Now, let's say... What does this search do? Nothing. What's this little guy? Oh, that's cool. I think I can start getting rid of a bunch of stuff. So let's start with the header. The header, honestly, probably doesn't even need to be there. All that time spent getting this stuff to work. All that time spent getting this stuff to work, and I'm probably going to nuke most of it and just use a table. I've been really hearing Alpine more and more outside of Laravel. Land, kind of nice. Yeah. I think it's probably kind of like a new sort of jQuery option, in that it pairs really well with server rendered code and then adds like sprinkles or dashes of functionality in. So I am pretty sure I'm going to end up with just dashboard, gray screen, and then this like nice looking table, which is funny considering where I started. Yeah, but that's okay. That's okay. So let's find dashboard. Cool. We have some nav. I think this whole nav section is probably going to go. Where's that? Yep. Cool. Oh, that's the sidebar. Yeah. Yeah, I think the sidebar is going to go too. Sidebar. Man, which one is this? I think, okay. I think this is this guy. Hopefully. Yeah. And that means this is the sidebar. We don't need this sidebar thing. We're not going to have a sidebar. Cool, that's looking better. And then my dashboard here, I imagine this is all going to go as well. Nope, there's my table. So this div to this div is gone. Cool. All this just so I could so I could start with the dashboard and rip everything out just so I can have a table for the data that I want. That's great. Cool. Let's start with, I mean, let's go ahead and grab this information. So I don't need the table body here. This is, that's going to be like this section, the name. I don't think I need any of that. But I might need some of these styles, so let's do this. This is where it's going to go. My results, something like that, right? We're going to map, we're going to hit the table row, sure, with all these classes. There's my table row. Then inside of that, I have all this TD. Okay, and each TD, let's see, we have flex item center, margin left. Don't think I need this margin left. Don't think I need this div. You have to apologize, or I have to apologize for the throat clearing. I'm recovering from being sick for a little bit. I can pick a new one from Tailwind UI. Yeah, I guess I could. I feel, I don't know. I've had like a bunch of Tailwind template websites bookmarked. This was the one that I liked the best. So happy with it. Let's see. This image can go, which means we don't need this wrapper. We've got the text. I don't think I need this second text. Yeah, no, we'll just get rid of that. And inside of there, we have PID, which is the Pokemon's ID. Seems kind of weird to have a div, so I'm going to take this, put that on there, get rid of that, get rid of that. Awesome. Man, it's so weird also that whoever coded this did text small and letting 5. on the individual text node instead of just on the table data, but I don't know. Never apologize for something you can do nothing about. Very well. I take it back. All right, we've got the Pokemon name, which is going to go here. Burp. We'll get rid of that. I'll bring that in. Bring that in. And once again, because I only have one thing here, I feel like this can all just go on here. I don't think I need this to be a flex item, and I don't need this div. Great. Okay. Let's see what we've got with this. ID name. What's this look like? That was the title, right? Why does this have white space, no wrap, border gray? Active. Okay, great. Got the name. The ID is that. The name. I'll just leave it like that. Okay. And then we'll get rid of this for now. And then I need this to be ID. I need this to be name. Essentially what I have up here. Take these out, get rid of this table. Table row, table headings are gonna go there. ID name, I'm gonna do type, and we'll do HP for now. And then this is just an empty thing for some reason. Attack or HP attack. Great. Cool. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. So far, so good. Padding on these is all borked. Please use an array and a loop. This is very painful to watch. I can't believe how easy it is to migrate React code to Vue code. Pretty sure it's not the same the other way around. Yeah, I don't know about that. You know, if I were you, if you're doing some of that, I would look into mitosis by Builder.io. Write components once, run everywhere. Compiles to React, Vue, Quick, Solid, Angular, Svelte, and more. So yeah, essentially, what is this? Interesting. I don't know what that is. So you write in one language, which is mitosis. I guess you could also do sveltosis, which actually looks really good. And then that would output to React or Vue or Quick. This is not accurate. Like, this is Vue code. Yeah. This is still Vue code. Maybe you shouldn't check out mitosis, actually. I don't know. Couldn't have given you this 4 months ago. You didn't ask. You did not ask. Okay, an array and a loop. Yeah, so I would probably do an array and a loop over these things. The problem is eventually you get into something where you want something treated differently. So for example, maybe I want the first column to be like center aligned and all the rest to be left aligned, or like this one is center aligned. I don't know. It's a lot easier to do that. Like it makes more sense sometimes to just do things the manual way. And that is something that I suspect I'm going to want. What I will do though is start playing around with some of these. How much of these have white space, no wrap? Literally everything, except for the first one. Or this, yeah. Although if I have these on the table data or the table row, I shouldn't need it on the table datas. So let's get rid of that. This is not responsive, but that's okay. Okay. I just need to keep it simple. Just keep it simple, Austin. Don't overcomplicate things. Okay. So we have text small. No, let me undo this. I think ultimately this is going to just kind of be the same information. So it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let me try and let me consolidate these. Padding 6, cool. PY, text small. Great. Font medium. These are literally all the same, except for the last one. So what we're going to do is take this class off of it and put it on the row. And then, yes, Stony, you're going to get what you want. We're going to take all that, perp. And then this one is also going to get rid of that. And we'll do this. We'll do perp. Oops. Painful to watch. I'll give you painful to watch. Okay, then we want, I guess I could have grabbed these, why not? Let's do this. Swoop, 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 swoop. Swoop, swoop, swoop. Something like that. Ooh, my auto formatter is not working. Something like that. Okay, so in here I have missing there. Great. What is this complaining about? Missing key prop. That's right. Key equals text. Why not? Cool. ID, name, type, HP, attack, defense, special attack, special defense, speed. Perfect. I'm going to do one even better. I'm going to take the result value I'm gonna take result value, the first item, and then I'm going to take object dot, what is it? Object dot keys. Result value. Oh, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Because they are written out differently. But that's fine. I think what I'm going to do, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do const table data mapper equals, and we're going to do something like this. No, that's not what I want. I want something like this.